Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to Channel Name, your go-to channel for learning French in an easy and fun way. Today, we'll explore 4 very important French question words: qui, who, quoi, what, quand, when, and où, where. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these words with simple examples. So, grab a pen and notebook and let's get started. Let's start with qui, which means who in English. Here's an example. Qui est là? Who is there? C'est mon ami. It's my friend. Another example. Qui parle anglais? Who speaks English? Marie parle anglais. Marie speaks English. Now, let's move to quoi, which means what in English. You can use it like this. Tu fais quoi? What are you doing? Je lis un livre. I'm reading a book. Another example. Quoi de neuf? What's new? Rien de spécial. Nothing special. Next up is quand, which means when in English. For example, quand est la réunion? When is the meeting? C'est à 14h. It's at 2 p.m. Another example. Quand pars-tu en vacances? When are you going on vacation? Je pars demain. I'm leaving tomorrow. Finally, we have où, which means where, in English. Here are some examples. Où est la banque? Where is the bank? La banque est à gauche. The bank is on the left. Another example. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. And there you have it. 4 essential French question words with simple examples. Practice these phrases daily, and you'll be one step closer to mastering French. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Merci de regarder. Thanks for watching. See you next time. À bientôt.